How to open a Bright Start 529 account. Opening a Bright Start 529 college savings account is an exciting first step toward planning for your loved one's future, whether you're saving for your child, grandchild, a family member, or even yourself. Start by going to brightstart.com and select Open an Account. Review and collect all the information you'll need for the account opening process: your full name, date of birth, mailing address, social security number or I-10, email address, phone number, and your bank account information if you're planning to fund the account electronically. You'll also need similar details for the person you're saving for, called the beneficiary. Once you're ready, click Start Enrollment to begin. You'll first be asked to create your login credentials. This includes your name and email address, along with choosing a username and password. After entering this information, click Create Login. Next, you'll enter your contact information. You'll also provide your social security number or I-10 and your date of birth. Once that's complete, click Next to move forward. The next screen will ask for your current address. Enter your street address, city, state, and zip code, then click Next. Now you'll be prompted to select who you're saving for. You can choose from options such as a child, a grandchild, a niece or nephew, yourself, or someone else. Please note, if you're an Illinois parent with a child born or adopted on or after January 1, 2023, you may be eligible for a free one-time $50 seed deposit from Illinois First Steps. If so, you'll be prompted to answer a few additional questions before continuing to open your account. To help avoid any delays, enter the parent and child information exactly as it appears on their Illinois birth certificate. After making your beneficiary selection, click Next to proceed. Then you'll be asked how much you'd like to contribute initially. You can start with a one-time contribution, set up monthly recurring contributions, or choose to open the account without an initial deposit and contribute later. If you're not ready to fund the account yet, you can simply skip this step. Once you've made your choice, you'll be asked to choose how you'd like to fund the account. You have three options. You can transfer funds directly from a bank account, send a check by mail, or roll over funds from an existing 529 plan. If you select a bank transfer, you'll be prompted to enter your bank account details and the amount you'd like to contribute. If you choose to mail a check, the system will provide a printable deposit slip at the end of the account opening process. This slip must be included with your check when you mail it in to complete the funding process. If you're rolling over funds from another 529 plan, you'll need to enter information about the previous plan, including the plan name and the amount being transferred. After entering the details, you'll click Next. If you opted to skip the initial contribution, you'll continue to the next section of enrollment. You now have the option to set up recurring contributions, which are automatic deposits that can be scheduled from your bank account or payroll. To do this, simply fill out the required information. Recurring contributions are a great way to stay consistent with your savings goals. You'll choose the contribution frequency, the amount, and whether you'd like it to increase automatically each year. If you're setting up electronic funds transfer, your bank must be a member of the Automated Clearinghouse, or ACH. Also, contributions made by electronic funds transfer will not be available for withdrawal for 8 business days. Many account owners find it helpful to set an annual increase to their recurring contributions. This small step can make a big difference in helping you meet your long-term savings goals. If you'd like to include that, simply choose the amount you'd like to increase by each year and click Next. If you're not ready to set up recurring contributions, you can select the option that says Not right now and continue with the enrollment. Next, you'll choose your investment strategy. Bright Start 529 offers two approaches. The first is the enrollment year portfolio, which automatically adjusts over time based on your beneficiary's expected enrollment year. This is a set it and forget it option, keeping it simple. The second approach allows you to build your own investment portfolio. If you choose this route, you'll be able to select your investment allocation across different options and manage that mix as you go. Investment portfolio changes may be made up to twice annually. Once you've selected your investment strategy and are satisfied with your portfolio choices, click Confirm Portfolio Selection to continue. If you're saving for more than one person, like a sibling, you can add them now. This creates an additional 529 account under your profile and allows you to manage each account independently. If you do want to add another beneficiary, select Yes, Add Another Beneficiary. If not, click No. Let's finish up. Before completing your enrollment, review all the information you've entered to ensure it's accurate. This includes your personal information, beneficiary details, funding preferences, and investment selections. Once everything looks good, be sure to acknowledge the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. Then click Open Account to finalize the process. Congratulations! You've successfully opened a BrightStart 529 college savings account. This is an important milestone in your journey toward educational savings, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Your future self and your future student will thank you.